In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Wix Dynamic Pages. To get started, open your Wix editor and look over to the CMS panel in the sidebar. This is where your database collections are managed, and it is also where dynamic page options are created. Find the active collection you want to work with. On the same line as that collection name, you will see the three-dot options icon. Click that icon to open the action menu for that specific collection. In that drop-down menu, look for the option called Add Dynamic Pages and click it. This is the feature Wix uses to automatically generate pages that are connected to the content inside your collection. Instead of building every page manually, dynamic pages let you use one structure that pulls in different content from your CMS. This can save a lot of time, especially if you are working with multiple entries, such as products, team members, blog-style content, services, or listings. After you click Add Dynamic Pages, Wix will ask you to choose the type of page you want to create. You will see two main options here: item page and list page. It is important to understand the difference, so you choose the right one for your site. An item page is designed to display one record at a time. This is the option you would use if each entry in your collection needs its own dedicated page. For example, if your collection contains individual services or portfolio items, the item page will create a separate page layout that can show one item based on the connected CMS data. A list page works differently. It creates more of an overview or index page for the collection. This is useful when you want visitors to browse multiple records in one place. It is often used as a directory-style page or a main collection page that links out to individual item pages. Once you decide which option fits your goal, select either item page or list page, and then click Add to Site. Wix will then generate the dynamic page based on your selection and connect it to your collection so you can begin customizing the layout and how the content is displayed. The key part of this process is choosing the page type that matches how you want visitors to experience your content. Item pages are best for single-entry detail views, while list pages are best for grouped overviews. That covers everything you need to know.